and today I'm going to be teaching you a trick called Lightning Marathon. This is a trick that I made, and it looks like this. That is the trick Lightning Marathon. How you want to do it first is the first part of Ghost Neck. You're going to swing it over your neck, and then you're going to stick your elbow out, and then it's going to go over your arm, so it's in like a basic arm mount. So you're going to swing over, and it's going to like hit your arm, and then from there you can just drop your non-dominant hand, your non-dominant hand. And then from here it's going to look like a mount like this, kind of like that. And then what you're going to do from there, you're going to trapeze over that string that's just bouncing over here. It's going to be right here. And then this is the part where it kind of gets a little weird, and it's hard to like kind of do it at first. So you're going to swing it over your neck, and then over your arm, drop your hand, trapeze. And then from here, you're going to take your arm, and you're going to like take your finger and put it into the yo-yo like that. So it's going to kind of like undermount the yo-yo. And then you're going to drop your non-dominant hand again. And this is the cool part of it. You're going to push it over your arm like that. And it's going to come out like this. You're going to take it off of your arm. And then you're going to just dismount it, because if you dropped it, it would have been a knot. So you pop it to the back, onto a trapeze. And as you can see, there's some like twisting in the string right here. And all of these parts you can basically practice separately. You can practice this part, you can just twist in like that. And then from here, this is the weird part. You're going to take your finger, and then you're going to pinch right here with your non-dominant hand. So you're going to make a fist. And you're going to take this string that's right here, and then you're going to take it, you're going to pinch here, and you're going to pinch here. And then you're going to take this and like kind of like drape it in front. And then it's going to get you into a green triangle. This is the weirdest part. You're going to take this string, or you're going to twist over, take this string, and then kind of like throw it in front of the yo-yo. Like throw the slack of the string like kind of behind the yo-yo like that. And then what you're going to do from here is you're just going to bring your hand over, and it's going to end you in a green triangle. You can pop to the back. Pop to the back to dismount it into a trapeze, and then from there you're going to do a skyline, which looks like that. I don't really have a tutorial on that. It's kind of just like, it's basically just simple. You just hold the string just draped over like that. You're going to pull your hands apart, the yo-yo is going to shoot up, and it's basically just going to bind in the air like that. So this has been the tutorial on Lightning Marathon. Thank you all for watching the video. See you in the next one.